Ito na yun, cousin. Oh, look how big it is.
Yeah?
It's my flight. Daddy's flight is dark.
Ha?
And Daddy said there's lots of jewelry outside there, but Daddy lied. He didn't.
Wala ayong lahi.
There's no jewelry
Not
inside.
yet. Ginawa ba akong lahi yun?
We're going to meet under the bridge. You know, we're going to inside the castle. Come on.
Yes.
We are out the bridge now. Going.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
What's that?
I
Fishing
said
rod?
I wish I have a good health. Amazing.
Good health, yeah. Good job. Hi ka muna sa vlog natin. Hi guys.
Hi
Dito,
guys.
dito tayo dito. Hi guys. Yan. Kakain muna kami.
Oh, fire.
Kakain muna kami sa
I want to.
Mamma Mia. Jewel, yeah. Dito kami kakain. Dito muna kami kakain. Gutom. Sige, magpa-fire daw. First ang fire? Gusto mo rito tayo? Oh, kunin mo yung bag mo dun. Dito tayo po. Here. Ayun yung bag mo. Kunin mo yung bag mo dun.
My hands are cold.
Yeah. It's like fire, right?
I'm cold.
Oh, dito tayo sa ito. Kunin mo yung bag mo dun. Salute ka mo. Alam mo, girl nyo? Ha? Makak. Hello. Dito lang sa Mamma Mia. Pangso. Andun doon, yung lamig doon, mahilang naman. Doon si Jimmy lang ano. Kain mo lang kami, ha? Mag-wish yata si Jimmy, mag-wish. You can wish you in. Yung health mo, i-wish mo. Yeah, may wishing well dito eh. Bagal! Wala, close na ang bagay dyan. Ito kay Mami, ang bagay yan. Ang kahit mo tapos mo. Ito oh. Oh. Ayan, ang ganda na wish lang. Mag-wish ka muna. What is your wish?
I wish.
Good health.
I wish. Oh, here.
Yeah. Sige na, mag-wish ka na. Oh. Bagal. Go.
I wish. Wala ubo.
Wala ubo. Okay. Oh. Go. Your wish. Take a man. Palili muna tayo.
Ang dami lang eh.
Hindi. Ayun ko yung pagkuha. Malayo pa ako, hindi ko nakita. Sabi ng ibang libo, lapit ka muna ang ginagawa pala. Ay, dapat malayo ka pati.
You want some pizza, guys?
Merenda tayo, guys.
I wish my family have a happy life.
Yes.
And one more wish. I wish my family isn't sobrado and not bad.
Good job.
1, 2, 3.
Ah, sige, kuha mo kayo.
Another one! Another one!
Ay, sus.
Look, okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Dito na kami sa resort, guys. Ay, si Jewel, oh.
Tayo na lang. Okay.
We are going inside the castle.
Sabay dito.
Ah, dito tayo.
1.
Oh, dito ka ba?
Dito ka ba po? Saan? Dito. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, din.
Siguro magawa.
Welcome to Winterland Castle.
Windsor.
Windsor Castle.
Ulit.
Welcome to Windsor Castle.
Okay.
In
Dito tayo pasok. Let's go inside.
yeah,
Alright.
I like to. Do you want to see amazing things? Daddy said there's jewelry inside, and there's a real princess and prince too, and the knight.
Okay.
Yeah.
Happy heart. Oh, wag na.
Are you excited?
Excited.
Yay! Let's go now.
Saan? Dito daw. Dito na lang.
Welcome to Windsor.
Oh, dito.
This real night
Jimmy, ano ba yan?
in the grass.
Hindi pa nga yan eh.
Ayun, oh. Salita kayo. Ah, si
Doon
Jimmy.
na lang tayo sa may ano.
Oh, Jimmy.
Anong oras na ba?
Like a field.
Ha?
This is like a field.
Like a Yeah. Needle.
Needle. There's a knight with a no. There's a king with a sword.
Which one?
Here.
Ah, king with the sword. That's one, king with the sword.
The owner in this castle.
Yeah.
There's an airplane.
Yeah. Ayan na, oh. We're going inside now.
I'm so excited to go inside.
Really?
Can we take pictures, mommy, inside the castle?
1 o'clock pa ba? Ay, dito muna kayo. Di ako man. Oh,
This is a royal.
this is the royal place.
Can we go inside?
Yes, sure. Wait pa tayo ng time natin. We're waiting for our time, 1 o'clock. Oo, 1 o'clock yung time natin. Yeah.
Let's go inside the park.
I know. I know, look at that castle. Oh.
Wow, pretty flowers too.
Yun.
Wow, can we
Tignan mo.
find something in here?
Yeah. Diyan, ay, stand up po. Stand up po.
Doon kayo.
Mamaya, Jewel. Babo daw kayo.
Close mo sa likod mo, oh. Titingnan mo. Makapasan ka.
One more. 1, 2, and 3. Look you. Jewel.
Ito mo dyan. Wait lang si Daddy. What the fuck ka? Anong gusto mo dyan? Which one?
I'm the King Jong.
Gusto mo yan?
Yeah.
Oh, pili ka. Which one? Ha? Ito yung long walk. This is the long walk. Si Babu sa kasi dyan doon. Ang ganda rito. Ito yung sinasabi ng long walk. St. Albans Sweepers. Ala, pasok na. Ticket.
I'm so excited.
Excited ka na? Matingin nga, excited?
I'm in this
Ay, ticket.
Normal lang yun yung makuha. Kasi,
Mama lang naman.
kasi
Push your eyes.
yung ano.
Ito. Jimmy na, ito look. This is the prince.
Oh, wait, Prince.
O, tandaan mo si Prince Charles. Si King.
Jewel, yun yung magiging ano mo. Jewel, faster.
Ay,
Picture.
alam? Ito. Ito.
Wala kang dalang ano? Wala yung
Walang pen, wala. Doon pala dapat mo. Senior citizen. Pwede dito tayo. Nang birthday tayo po, di ba? Tama, ito yun. Dito nga, ng birthday. Ito yun. Wala lang ang daan doon.
Please wait her to be home
Dito sila nga eh.
forward.
Mga ano tayo, mga